Do you know what sets millionaires apart from everyone else? It is not luck. It is not winning the lottery. It is something you can start doing today. Yes, today, right now. And I'm about to expose the very same 5 powerful investment strategies, the same used by millionaires to build wealth incrementally. If you have ever dreamed of financial freedom, this is the video that might transform your life. Let me share a little story with you. Someone asked me one time, how do people actually become millionaires? They thought it was all about getting this enormous check or creating the next great startup. But the truth, most millionaires quietly build their wealth through smart investing and giving time, chance to take action. That's what we are going to discuss today. 5 tested strategies you can apply to start creating your millionaire path. Number 1. Invest in index funds. Index funds are essentially a share of the entire stock market. Instead of worrying about guessing which company will hit it big, you are buying the economy as a whole. It's similar to owning a share of hundreds, thousands of companies simultaneously. Warren Buffett himself uses index funds for average investors. The trick here, low cost, steady growth, and enormous compounding. You don't need to be a whiz at picking stocks. You only need to be willing to wait. Second, buy blue chip stocks. Blue chip stocks are the giants, the Apples, the Coca-Colas, the Johnson & Johnsons of the world. They have record books, consistent profits, and global presence. Blue chips are like planting an oak trees. They won't bloom in a day or two, but they weather storms. Millionaires will hold blue chips for generations because they are safe and appreciate in the long term. Third, sell growth stocks. Now, if you are willing to take a little bit more risk, growth stocks are where excitement lives. Think Tesla, Amazon in its early days, or today's rising tech innovators. Growth stocks don't pay big dividends now, but they reinvest profits to expand fast. They are like rockets. You need to buckle up because the ride can be wild, but the payoff can be life-changing. Millionaires diversified with some growth stocks to boost their wealth faster. Fourth, buy dividend-paying stocks. Imagine being paid just for owning a stock. That's the magic of dividend-paying stocks. They pay you regularly in the form of cash. It's like owning a rental property with none of the headache of the tenants. Investing those dividends over the years can compound into a huge wealth. Millionaire loves dividend because they create streams of passive incomes, money flowing in whether you are employed or not. Fifth, invest in REITs, real estate investment funds. Now, let's talk about real estate. In the real world, not necessarily buying actual houses. REITs allow you to hold a portfolio of real estate, malls, office towers, even computer centers. They are similar to stocks but return rent in the background. REITs are how millionaires diversify, protect against inflation, and earn steady returns. You get the benefits of real estate without the agony of being a landlord. Here's the punchline. It's not a matter of betting on the next cryptocurrency token or sitting around for something to magically occur. It's about consistent investing, patience, and letting compound growth kick in. If you start incorporating even one of these practices today, you'll be thanking me yourself in 5, 20 years. Because the best time to have invested was yesterday. The second best time will be today. If this video added value, I appreciate knowing. Of these 5 that I have mentioned, Let me know which is your preferred choices. I read them all. And don't forget to subscribe for more wealth creation tips. Your millionaire journeys starts here.